Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up time tracking in ClickUp, one of the most essential features if you want to keep tabs on your productivity or bill accurately for your work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand how to enable time tracking, but you'll also feel confident using it to your advantage in your ClickUp workspace. So let's jump right in. First, make your way over to your ClickUp workspace. If you're already familiar with the platform, you probably know your way around, but for newcomers, your workspace is essentially your home base where all your tasks, projects, and tools live. So just log in and make sure you're on the dashboard for the workspace where you want to add time tracking. Take a moment to get oriented, and don't worry if the layout seems busy at first. ClickUp packs a lot into their interface, but you'll get used to it. Now look for the More option, usually hanging out in the sidebar or at the bottom of the workspace menu. It's kind of like the etc. drawer in your kitchen, all those additional features that don't fit up top. Click on More, and among the choices you'll see Click Apps. Apps in ClickUp are extra tools that extend what the platform can do for you. Give Click Apps a click, and you'll be brought to a screen with loads of options for add-ons. Here, where we get specific, find the search bar or the list and type in time tracking. That helps filter down all the available apps so you don't have to scroll forever hunting for the right one. Sometimes the app might not pop right up. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, just double-check your spelling or reload the page. Sometimes tech can be finicky. Once you spot the time tracking app, go ahead and click on it to open its options. If it's already enabled, you're halfway there. If it's not yet enabled, you'll see a button or toggle that lets you turn it on. Just click it. Enabling the app basically activates time tracking for your workspace, giving you and your team members access to the helpful clock icon for tracking how long you spend on tasks. Now take a moment and select your workspace from the options presented. This tells ClickUp exactly where to apply the time tracking feature. Make sure you're picking the correct workspace if you have more than one. For example, maybe you have workspaces for different clients or departments. For most folks, you'll have just one, but it never hurts to double check, and that's pretty much it. Once you've enabled the time tracking app and chosen your workspace, you're all set to start logging time on your tasks. This might sound simple, but it opens up a lot of possibilities, from breaking down your workflow and spotting time drains, to making invoicing a breeze for freelancers and agencies. Next time you open up a task, you'll see that time tracking option ready to go so you can easily monitor your productivity. If any part of this feels tricky, maybe you can't find a menu or something isn't clickable, don't stress. Sometimes platforms update their layouts and things move around. Just take your time, refresh the page, or check ClickUp's help docs if you need to. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Do you have any questions about time tracking or want to see more tips for mastering ClickUp? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. I've got your back when it comes to productivity tools. See you next time.